to my channel. On this channel, we talk about online marketing, affiliate marketing, and motivation. Do me a favor, and if you would like to hear more content on this channel, subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time a new video comes out. If you get anything out of this video, do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Okay, today I'm going to talk to you about 15 tips for affiliate marketing success in 2019. If you listen to the video to the complete end, I'm going to tell you what my number one high ticket affiliate offer is, and I guarantee it will also help you learn how to set up your business and how to make your business succeed. All right, let's get started. Number one, always put your subscribers and your followers first. I like affiliate marketing because everything is a win-win. You get a portion of the commissions, but most importantly, you get to help with their success. Make sure you do exactly this. Number two, love what you do. If you're doing it just for the money, I promise you, your business will fail. So make sure you pick a niche that fits who you are and that you will actually enjoy. You need to think long term. This is not just a hobby, guys. Number three, be consistent. I'm sure you have heard this before, but it is true. It is so true. For example, if Instagram is your main platform, you just can't post once a week. Stay with it and actually be consistent. Number four, focus, focus, focus. I said that 3 times on purpose because this is my biggest issue. I want to work on 10 things at once. I know this can be hard, but try to focus on one project at a time. I know it's hard for me. Number 5, pick one product and go all in. Make sure it's running like a fine oiled train, machine, car, whatever. Number 6, make sure the program is a good program or product and it has great customer service and that it actually benefits your customers. You don't want to recommend something that sucks or that it takes a week for customer service to respond. No. Number 7, concentrate on one platform at a time. Whether you choose YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, focus solely on that platform until you consider yourself an expert. And then move to the next platform. Number 8, you have to celebrate your milestones. I have another video just on this topic. Even if you have a small win, you should seriously reward yourself and give yourself a pat on the back. I used Mountain Dew as an example. I usually drink water, but when I'm rewarding myself, even if it's for a little win, I actually give myself a Mountain Dew. Works for me. What works for you? I'm curious. Put something that you do to reward yourself in the comments. Let me know. Number 9, research how other affiliates are promoting the same product that you are. Russell Brunson teaches this in his One Funnel Away Challenge, or OFA as they call it. I happen to have an affiliate link to it down below. Number 10, make sure all products complement each other. This will not only help you, but most importantly, it will help your customers and your followers. Number 11, you need a funnel for your product. There are several funnel softwares out there. I'll put a couple below the video so you can check them out. Create your content, and if you have bonuses, add it all into your funnel. 13, traffic. All offers have to have traffic, whether it's free traffic or paid traffic. You need eyes on your funnel in order to generate sales, right? The main traffic platforms are Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and Google Ads. Number 14, believe in yourself. I know this might sound silly, but I'm serious. When I first started, all everyone did was give me a hard time. Told me how crazy I was. That got me started doubting myself, and that really wasn't good. Now, I don't listen. I don't listen to any of the negativity, only positive feedback. I know it can be hard to block out all the negativity, but trust me, you're worth it. Number 15, the most important I saved for last. Take action. I know I've said this time and time again. You're never going to get anywhere by doing nothing. So just simply take action. Okay, I promised you I would tell you what my number one recommended high ticket program is called. Are you ready? Legendary Marketer. I love it. Okay, it is actually a program that David Sharp has created. I have several videos on Legendary on my channel as well. You should check them out. Or simply click on the link below this video. I hope that you got something out of this video. And if so, do me a favor, give me a big thumbs up. It sure helps the algorithm. And if you want to see more content like this, then go ahead and subscribe. Go ring the bell. Appreciate it. Until my next video. See ya!